Hey everyone, want to get stronger and build muscle? Today, I'll show you how to do a perfect push-up, step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. Step 1, get into position. First, get down on the floor. Place your hands flat on the ground, slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your fingers spread out for balance. Now, stretch your legs back and balance on your toes. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels. No bending your hips up or dropping your stomach down. If balancing on your toes is too hard, you can start on your knees. Just make sure to keep your back straight. Step 2, engage your core. Tighten your stomach muscles and keep your back straight. This will help protect your lower back and make your push-ups more effective. Make sure your neck is neutral. Look slightly ahead, not up or down. This helps keep your spine aligned. Take a deep breath before starting, as good breathing helps with endurance and strength. Step 3, lower your body. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your chest towards the ground. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Go down until your chest is close to the ground, but don't touch it. Keep your body in a straight line. Hold the position at the bottom for a second to increase strength and control. Step 4, push back up. Now, push through your hands and straighten your arms to lift your body back up. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. Make sure your core stays engaged as you push back up. Don't let your lower back sag. Exhale as you push up, this helps with power and control. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let your hips sag. Keep your body straight. Don't flare your elbows too wide, it can hurt your shoulders. Don't rush. Slow and steady movements give better results. Avoid arching your back. Engage your core to maintain good form. Make sure your hands are in the correct position. Too far forward or too close together can cause discomfort. Modified push UPS for beginners. If regular push-ups feel too hard, start with knee push-ups. Just drop your knees to the ground and follow the same steps. You can also do push-ups against a wall or a table if you need extra support. Another variation is incline push-ups, where you place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench or a step. Practice holding the push-up position, plank, to build strength before doing full push-ups. How many push UPS should you do? Start with 5 to 10 push-ups and increase the number as you get stronger. Quality is better than quantity. If you can do 15 to 20 push-ups with good form, try adding more reps or different variations. Do push-ups in sets, like 3 sets of 8 reps, to build endurance gradually. Challenge yourself by timing how many push-ups you can do in 1 minute and try to improve over time. Advanced push-up variations. Once you master basic push-ups, try these advanced variations. Diamond push UPS. Place your hands close together under your chest to target your triceps more. Wide push UPS. Move your hands wider than your shoulders to focus on the chest. Clap push UPS. Push yourself up explosively and clap your hands before landing. One hand push UPS. Try balancing on one arm for an extreme challenge. Slow tempo push UPS. Lower yourself slowly for 3 to 5 seconds before pushing back up. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you know how to do a perfect push-up. Keep practicing, and you'll get stronger every day. Set a goal and track your progress to stay motivated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you next time.